Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you a Python script that simulates air traffic on a real map. This script generates multiple planes, each with random flight numbers and altitudes, flying in various directions. You can control the number of planes and their speed to make the simulation more interactive, setting values within a specified range. First, we load the map as a background image to provide a realistic context for the simulation. When we run the script, it prompts us to enter the number of planes and their speed. As the simulation begins, the planes appear on the map as red dots, moving in random directions, with each plane changing its path slightly to look more natural. Next to each plane, you'll see a label showing a random flight number and altitude, like FL 1234 at 32,000 feet, adding realism to the simulation. This script is highly customizable, allowing you to adjust the number of planes and speed to create different scenarios, from calm skies to busy airspace. The animation updates in real time, showing continuous movement as each plane adjusts its direction dynamically. This simple yet powerful script is perfect for visualizing air traffic, educational purposes, or just having fun with coding. Thank you for watching this demonstration, and if you have any questions or want to see more, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.